Good morning. This is Dr. Maher Badr discussing a subject on the YouTube. Today I want to talk about green concrete. First, let us define what the green concrete and where did this word come from. We all know that we use a lot of cement in construction, and producing 1 ton of cement in the factory requires crushing and burning and a process which utilizes a lot of energy and produces a lot of gases, mainly carbon dioxide gases, and every ton of cement we produces huge amount of carbon dioxide. And in this world we are having this climate change problem, which means the carbon dioxide that is produced by all the manufacturing processes and the cars and all the engines in the world are reducing or increasing the size of the ozone layer, creating a change in the environment. So everybody in the world has started to think about reducing the gases, and one of the areas they decided that it's a good idea to reduce the gases is to reduce the gases coming out of cement manufacturing, which meant reducing the amount of cement we're using. Now in Saudi Arabia here we are a high users of cement, because cement is one of our main construction materials, and we have a lot of factories that produce cement. So the word green came from the idea of reducing the cement content, whether it is by reducing the amount of gases that are coming out from the production process of cement, or reducing the amount of cement you use in your mix. Of course, here in Saudi Arabia we are very much interested in concrete durability. Now when you talk about concrete durability, you talk about concrete with high levels of permeability or impermeability, not allowing the water to go through the concrete mix, which will cause steel corrosion. So we needed to adjust the amount of concrete, or play with the mix design to make a more durable concrete. Now it was in the 80s and 90s and the 2000s, the idea was to play with the amount of cement in the mix, and some of the research said that we increase the cement content, and other research directions said that we will use fillers like microsilica or silica fume or pozzolans or fly ash and all this. So that process of improving the concrete durability increased the knowledge of mixed design using things other than the cement, or reducing in a way the cement. So the advantage of adding some of those pozzolans was to reduce the quantity of cement. So in a nutshell, if you make a mix with no additives like microsilica, silica fume, or fly ash or anything like this, you may need an X amount of cement. If you add some of those products, you may need less amount of cement, or you can produce a better quality concrete, more durable concrete with the same amount of cement. So you can say that high quality concrete with using any kind of pozzolans like silica fume, fly ash or anything like this, and using a little bit less amount of concrete, can be defined as green. Now the word green to everybody has not been understood very well, because it is a little confusing when our cement and concrete is not colored green, it's colored the color is fixed most of the time. So I just wanted to clarify this. When you hear anybody talking about green concrete, he is trying to tell you that I am going to produce a concrete using cement and aggregate, but I am also caring, I care about the environment, so I'm trying to minimize the amount of concrete. So by minimize the amount of cement. Now we have to be careful as civil engineers not to allow the word green to produce lower quality mixed designs. So I would prefer that anybody who tells you something about green concrete, let him link it to durable concrete. So in Saudi Arabia, what we need is concrete and the durable concrete, and green concrete and durable concrete as one combination, not only green concrete. So I'm not going to be happy if somebody tries to sell me green concrete without explaining to me that his green concrete is as durable as we would like it to be. Okay, thank you very much.